राहुल has gone anti-Hindu.
क्योंकि राहुल गांधी ने कहा कि जो लोग अपने आप को हिंदू कहते हैं वो 24 घंटे हिंसा, नफरत और असत्य की राह पर चलते हैं।
तो जब ये बात हमको बताई गई तो हमने राहुल गांधी का जो भाषण उन्होंने संसद में दिया था उसको निकाल करके देखा और हमने उसमें पाया कि वो तो ऐसा कह ही नहीं रहे हैं। वो तो कह रहे हैं कि हिंदू धर्म में हिंसा का स्थान ही नहीं है,
कि हिंदू डर नहीं फैला सकता, हिंदू हिंसा नहीं फैला सकता, हिंदू नफरत नहीं फैला सकता।
उनको उन्होंने अपने सामने जो अमुक पार्टी के सरकार के लोग हैं उनको देख करके कहा कि आप लोग अपने आप को हिंदू कहते हो और हिंसा 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 नफरत फैलाते हो।
बीजेपी 24 घंटा नफरत, हिंसा, नफरत, हिंसा, नफरत, हिंसा।
तो उनका कहना केवल उस पार्टी विशेष के लिए था।
हिंदू हिंसक होते हैं, ये है आपके संस्कार, ये है आपका चरित्र, ये है आपकी सोच, ये है आपकी नफरत इस देश के हिंदुओं के साथ ये करने में।
तो फिर उनके ऊपर ये आरोप लगाना कि उन्होंने हिंदू धर्म के विपरीत कोई बात कही है, उनके आधे वक्तव्य को अंश को निकाल करके और उसको फैला करके, ये हम समझते हैं कि अपराध है, दुष्प्रचार है और ऐसा करने वाले को दंडित किया जाना।
I'm not surprised because this is how the leader of the biggest opposition was labeled Pappu. Very, very smart PR, picking up things that you've said yourself and he was just quoting and giving him the credit to say it. Wow, how generous that is. And just twisting words here and there. Listen, I'm not here to talk about who's right, who's wrong as a party, who's a better leader, who's not. Let's not even get there. We are going to talk about our current government because we have to hold them accountable. It does not matter who did what in the past. We held them accountable then. Right now, we need to hold our current government accountable, and that is not being anti-national. That is actually being a citizen. If you're not doing it, you are not a good citizen. I want to point out that this is how Andhbhaks were created, by disseminating, wrong information through social media, through PR campaigns, through these so-called news channels, so-called because I don't think that they're news channels anymore. They're just puppets of the current government. And the question that we must be asking our government is, what are you doing to make things better except for twisting facts? Look at this. Look at this, how all the parameters are being changed. So if you can't change the situation, you just change the situation. Make things according to you. Make changes however you want them to be. Because you can only lie to your citizens and you can make them believe whatever you want them to believe, because you have created an army of mindless people who will only say one thing. Whatever the current government is doing is great because Modi ji mahan hai.